In a remote, unspoiled corner of the world, you'll find some of the best, most natural-tasting beef and lamb. New Zealand, where grass-fed beef and lamb boast the flavors of nature with subtle notes of green pastures the meat was raised on and unparalleled nutritional benefits, providing high-quality protein packed with healthy fats, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. But don't just take our word for it, discover the taste for yourself. Now, here's one of the countless mouth-watering recipes you can make using New Zealand grass-fed beef. Warm shaking grass-fed beef salad with watercress and tomatoes. By Luc Lac. Cut the beef into 1-inch cubes. To make the marinade, combine 2 tablespoons of olive oil with the fish sauce and oyster sauce. Add garlic, black pepper, and sugar. Mix well until the sugar is dissolved. Then add the beef cubes. Cover and shake the beef cubes. Let the beef sit in the marinade for 20 minutes. Arrange the watercress on a large dish. In a skillet, heat 3 tablespoons of olive oil over high heat. Add sliced onion. Sauté for a few minutes, then add the beef and its marinade and toss as you cook. After 5 minutes or so, the meat will be medium rare. When the meat is cooked to your liking, turn off the burner. Stir in the cornstarch to thicken the sauce. Serve the beef on the watercress with plum tomatoes cut into quarters. Add steamed rice for a family-style meal. That's the taste of pure nature. New Zealand grass-fed beef and lamb.